This is exactly what the Crow did before he went out and killed all those people.
Oh, did you breathe it in?
Is
that why you're choking?
It's only you're like.
Are you choking me
It's
out?
only you're not breathing well.
Doing lines of baby powder.
Okay, you ready?
Oh, I guess I should.
Are you gonna explain what's happening yet?
Well, we never explain. Okay. The
Yeah,
name of
speed
our
up.
channel is Defrost the Wizard. I'm Raven.
This is
That's
Defrost
Corbin.
the Wizard.
I know we had a
And you're
thing where we
watching.
were like, "Hey, I'm there and I'm you," but that's. I don't want to do that.
Okay, come over here.
Are we ready?
Yeah, you wanna
Okay.
put your hair back? When you do the Wyatt base, this is how you conceal the makeup so that it doesn't smudge everywhere.
Baby powder.
Yeah. close, don't breathe. Don't.
You should have me take a breath first. I gotta breathe.
Okay, breathe in.
It smells good, but it's a little much.
Breathe in
It's in my
again.
mouth.
Breathe. Start over. You're exhaling. You're just you're just breathing.
Let me catch my breath.
Go on. Come on, for real though. Ready? Oh God. Oh my God, no. Oh no. Oh, I can't wait to do Corbin's makeup after. You're gonna want to exhale.
When I over there. Oh my God. What did you do? Corbin. Corbin.
I'm not finished.
Corbin, what did you Corbin.
This is exactly what the Crow did before he went out and killed all those people.
Corbin.
We'll clean
This
up.
is my home.
We'll clean.
This is my place of residence.
We'll clean up good. I'll help you.
It hurts.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Don't want to waste all my scrunchie. Man, come on. Come on, man. Damn, dude.
Hey, who told you
Dude.
that?
Dude.
Who told you that?
Dude.
Who told you that? Who told you this would be clean?
I told you this would be fun.
Okay, close.
Oh, come
We'll
on.
we'll clean it up later. It's just baby. Eyes closed. Close your eyes.
Okay.
Gotta get in the pits there.
Ew, the pits of my eyes.
The eye pits, yeah. Okay, close everything.
Yes, my tongue. Oh, I
Sure.
can feel it. It's like a weird grit in my mouth, but it's not grit.
Stop moving.
I don't like it.
I don't like it. Look to your right. Look to your right. You're at my left. That's it.
That's
My
all I
right.
know by other people's direction. Oh,
Okay.
dear.
Now it's time for this. So.
This is insane.
Okay, close your everything. Don't breathe. This is concealing it. Okay, now we gotta do the powder again.
What?
Okay, no. Don't move your face too much. We gotta let that dry.
Conquistadors who took their share